लोग आज दोपहर को सापा से वापस आ गए। आज सुबह हमारी बस थी वापस और अभी हम लोग ट्रेन स्ट्रीट पे आए हैं हैनोई के। ये मेरे पीछे ट्रेन स्ट्रीट है। ट्रेन के टाइमिंग्स थोड़े अलग है, अभी बहुत टाइम है ट्रेन को, तो हम पता नहीं अभी हम उतना रुकेंगे या नहीं, सो लेट्स सी।
Hanoi's train street is one of the city's most unique spots. A narrow alley with rail tracks running right through it, surrounded by small cafes and colorful buildings. Walking through, you can feel the energy of this place. Locals going about their day and tourists enjoying coffee just inches from the rails. The vibe here is a mix of old world charm and the modern day buzz, making it a must visit when in Hanoi. You can sit here in any of the cafes, enjoy your coffee and wait for the train to pass by. But I would suggest check the train timings before visiting here.
ट्रेन स्ट्रीट पे हम लोग ट्रेन के लिए वेट नहीं किया और अभी हम लोग यहाँ नोट कैफे में आए हैं। ये नोट कैफे, यहाँ सब अपने मैसेजेस चिपका के जाते हैं। हेलो।
The Note Cafe in Hanoi is more than just a coffee shop. It's a place filled with stories. From the moment you step inside, you are surrounded by thousands of colorful sticky notes all over the walls, tables, ceilings, fans and lights. There's not a single place where you won't find these sticky notes, each carrying messages from travelers all around the world. Some messages are heartfelt, some are funny, and some are just simple reminders of moments spent here. We ordered tiramisu and latte, one of the best coffees I had in Vietnam. There's something special about sitting in this place filled with messages of love, dreams, and travel memories. And of course, I left my own little note behind, adding my memory to this beautiful collection. If you are ever in Hanoi, don't miss this charming cafe. It's not just about coffee, it's about connection, memories, and the little message that brings people together.
Good morning guys, this is our last day in Vietnam and today we are in Hanoi. आज हम हो ची मिन्ह म्यूजियम देखने जा रहे हैं और एक दो प्लेसेस हमारी फर्स्ट डे रह गई थी जब सिटी टूर हमने किया था, बिकॉज वी ओनली हैड अ हाफ डे. सो आज हम वो कवर करेंगे एंड आज शाम की हमारी रिटर्न फ्लाइट है बैक टू मुंबई. सो सी यू गाइज एट द हो ची मिन्ह म्यूजियम.
We are at the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. You can see the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum behind me.
This is one of Vietnam's most important landmarks. This grand structure is the final resting place of President Ho Chi Minh. The atmosphere here is quiet and respectful, with guards standing tall as visitors come to pay their respects. The architecture is simple yet powerful, reflecting President Ho Chi Minh's humble lifestyle and dedication to Vietnam. Just a short walk away is the Vietnamese Parliament building, a symbol of country's government and progress.
हो ची मिन्ह म्यूजियम के अंदर ही एक प्रेसिडेंशियल पैलेस भी है. ये प्रेसिडेंशियल पैलेस है जहाँ एंट्री रेस्ट्रिक्टेड है. अभी ये पूरा एक कॉम्प्लेक्स बना हुआ है जिसकी मैप है.
इस कॉम्प्लेक्स में एंट्री के लिए टिकट लेनी पड़ती है, विच कॉस्ट अराउंड 40k वियतनामीज डोंग, विच इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 135 इंडियन रुपीज पर पर्सन.
अभी हम अंदर जाके देखते हैं और क्या क्या है यहाँ पे.
This is the fascinating display of old vintage cars. As these cars used to serve President Ho Chi Minh, they weren't for luxury but for necessity, reflecting his modest lifestyle. Next is the meeting room where President Ho Chi Minh used to chair meetings and received guests. This is house number 54, where President Ho Chi Minh lived and worked since 1954. And here is his workroom. One of the most peaceful spots in Ho Chi Minh's residence is his fish pond. He would often come here to feed the fishes, finding moments of calm amidst his busy life. Even today, the pond is full of lively fishes. Surrounding the pond are the ancient cypress tree roots. Locals also call it Buddha tree roots. The unique form of these roots create a stunning natural sight. Over the years, these roots have grown into intricate patterns, adding to the natural beauty of this historic place. Instead of living in the grand presidential palace, Ho Chi Minh chose a simple still house, reflecting his simple lifestyle and deep connection with the people. Built in 1958, this traditional wooden house stands on stilts, surrounded by beautiful gardens and a peaceful fish pond. Inside this house, you will find everything so simple, just a desk, a bookshelf and a bedroom. Yet, this is where he made some of the most important decisions for Vietnam. As soon as you exit the complex, you will find some souvenir shops. Here you can also enjoy the live music. Now we are heading to one of the iconic landmarks, the One Pillar Pagoda.
This is the One Pillar Pagoda behind me.
This small temple has a history dating back nearly 1,000 years. Built to resemble a lotus flower rising from the water, this pagoda is a symbol of purity and enlightenment in Vietnamese culture. Its unique architecture is simple yet powerful, standing on a single stone pillar in the middle of a serene pond. One Pillar Pagoda is truly a special part of Hanoi. After exploring the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, it's time for our last meal in Hanoi. We enjoyed our lunch and headed to the airport. With bags packed and memories made, we said goodbye to this incredible country. So this was all about Vietnam. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and for those who have missed this series, you can find the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, as the journey doesn't end here. There's always another adventure waiting. See you guys in the next one.